How to fix Spotify no internet connection. Now if Spotify says no internet connection, maybe whenever you're trying to stream songs, then it could just be that there is an issue with your internet. So sometimes the best thing to do is to simply check your internet connection. You can simply swipe down your control panel settings. Here you can simply go ahead and check if your Wi-Fi is working just fine. You can also try to switch to cellular data if that actually helps you. Next thing I want you to do is to simply open up settings. After that, simply go to general, go to iPhone storage, and from there simply look for the Spotify app, and from there just tap on Offload app and tap on offload. After that, just go ahead and then reinstall the app to see if that actually helps you. Now what you can do is simply go to your app store, search for Spotify, check if the Spotify app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update the app to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.